boys and girls, it's Miss Penny. Put on your thinking caps. It's time to learn a new word.
Flag folding. Flag folding shows respect for the flag. The U.S. flag is folded 13 times into a triangle pattern.
What was that word?
Flag folding.
Good job.
Flagpole. A flagpole is a pole used for flying a flag.
What was that word?
Flagpole.
Good job.
USA flag. The USA flag has 50 stars and 13 stripes. It's red, white, and blue.
What was that word?
USA flag.
Good job.
World flags. World flags are pieces of cloth that each have a pattern that represents its country.
What was that word?
World flags.
Good job. See you next time.